Welcome to the sixth video of the series. In the previous video, we understood the complete WebGIS architecture, how the backend processes satellite data using Google Earth Engine and returns mean NDVI results. Now, in this video, we focus on the front-end part of the system. This is where users interact with the application, send inputs and view results. So we will build a simple front-end interface. The user will select a date range, send a request to the backend and see the NDVI result on the screen. To build the front-end, we first update our project structure. We create index.html file inside template folder. In Flask app or app.py file, we use a render template function to serve this file as our home page. This allows Flask to load the front-end page correctly. The index.html includes HTML for structuring, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for logic that fetches data from Google Earth Engine. The entire project structure in VS Code include NV folder, requirements.txt, config.py, app.py, and index.html file within templates folder. Let's understand the code. The config.py logic for Earth Engine authentication remains same as we discussed in the previous videos. So our credentials are already set up and ready to go. To connect Flask to the front end, we only need to modify a small part of app.py. First, we update imports to include render template, which allows Flask to serve HTML files. We also import libraries, OS, JSON, Earth Engine, and constants like ROI and scale imported from the config file. The rest of the logic stays the same. The only major change is adding a route that uses render template to load index.html file the moment a user opens the home page. This link bridges the Python backend with the dashboard. Now let's look at the index.html. We start with the standard HTML5 boilerplate and a title for the browser tab. Inside the style tags, we add CSS. We set the right font and margins to create white space. And we create a border for statistics box so the data is easy to read. So we can also change the button cursor to a pointer, giving the user a visual cue that it is clickable. Finally, we open the body tag and add main heading, which identifies the project as the WebGIS front end. Then we create two date input fields and a button. When the user clicks the button, it triggers the analyze function. Next, this section is used to display the results written from the backend. When the button is clicked, this function reads the selected start and end dates. Then, this section checks if both dates are selected. If not, it will show an alert message. Now, we connect the front end to the backend. We use the fetch function to call getStats endpoint, passing the start and end dates as parameters. We send a request to the /getStats with the selected dates. This is the same API we built in the previous video. The backend returns the result in JSON format. Finally, the document.getElementById function is used to display the selected start and end dates. The mean NDVI result is then updated and displayed directly on the web page for the user to see. Now, let's test on the terminal. Type python app.py and hit enter. Earth Engine connects. Then, open the browser, go to localhost 5000. Now the complete system works like this. The user selects dates, the front end sends a request, the backend processes data, and the mean NDVI result is displayed instantly. In the next video, we will add a map and visualize satellite data spatially. Stay tuned. Happy mapping!